Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan Samuel Skin Talks. How you doing? It's September. It's like the end of summer. And I know there's like people who get excited. I get excited for the holidays, I do. But they're super like, oh, fall. And trust, I get myself like a pumpkin spice something or other. But I really like summer. And I get really bummed when it's over. So I'm gonna be very somber today. Just kidding. Okay, let's get into it. Today we're gonna talk about double cleansing. I've talked about double cleansing before. Lots of things about double cleansing because I feel like people just say double cleanse or double cleansing. And then people feel like they need certain things or not other things. And so I wanted to sort of clarify that. So, double cleansing. You don't always need to do it. It's not, and that actually should be the first rule. Double cleansing is great and is important, but it doesn't always need to be done. I know some people will disagree with me on this, but for instance, if you're inside all day and you've just done sort of your normal routine, and I mean there are days where I'm literally inside all day, I do not set foot outside for anything. It's few and far between, but it happens. And so really in terms of like, city pollution and gunk, it's not there. If I'm not going to be by windows, I'm not going to wear SPF. So I just do a light routine, and then I just need to use a really good cleanser at night. One cleanse, take it off onto a washcloth, or not. But so you don't always need to double cleanse. Again, those times might be less frequently than others, but don't have it be the norm, because it's going to be nice not to over cleanse the skin if you aren't wearing SPF, makeup, etc. Alarms, sirens. Wait, and they're just like randomly like doing it off and on. Okay, anyway. So that's first and foremost the rule with double cleanse. Secondly, and another misconception is you can use the same cleanser. So I've seen a lot of people say like, oh, I don't like to double cleanse because I don't want to start with an oil cleanser first. You don't have to. Double cleanse can literally be cleansing twice. It doesn't have to necessarily be an oil or a balm cleanser. Obviously there's a reason those are recommended first, but it does not have to be that. So say if you're oily and acne prone and you have a really great gel-based cleanser, maybe it's a non-foaming water-soluble gel-based cleanser like Matinee Gel Cleanser by Jordan Samuel Skin. I'm holding it. Or a lightly foaming cleanser, anything, and Narita and I have talked about this, you can use that same cleanser twice. So you don't need, and also if you're trying to save money or maybe not have so many products, twice in a row, that's your double cleanse. It doesn't have to, again, be two separate things. Take double cleanse for what it is, literally cleansing twice. Everybody's gonna have their interpretation of it in terms of what products they think you should use, but really when it comes down to it, cleansing twice. My headpiece is aligned. Okay, good. We're good. 3, you can use 2 different cleansers. They do not have to be an oil and then like a water soluble, or an oil and a milk, or an oil and a gel. It could be something like a micellar water where you're removing your makeup. And it is a cleanse, but it's a really light cleanse, but it's a cleanse, and then go in with another cleanser. You can do that. That is a double, again, it's cleansing twice. You might not call it double cleansing for your version, but it is cleansing the skin twice. And that is the most important thing here. And I think some people get so hell-bent on, again, we're back on rules, and just cleanse your face twice. Get the stuff off. Get the makeup off, get the SPF off. All of a sudden I have an accent. But so don't get so caught up, and especially if you're somebody that doesn't like balm cleansers or hasn't found the balm cleanser that their skin gets on with, don't sweat it. Use, your gel cleanser twice in a row. Use a micellar water and then a gel cleanser, or use a micellar water and then a milk cleanser. You get the point. Cleansing twice. Lastly, then there's, not lastly, I have more things to say. I have more to say. So then there is cleansing, what I think a lot of people think as the traditional double cleanse, which would be your sort of makeup removers, oil, balm, gel to oil type cleansers. and then following up with a lighter, more water-soluble cleanser, a gel cleanser, a milk cleanser, something like that. Perfect double cleanse. Maybe not great for every skin type, but a perfect double cleanse. Again, still at the end of the day, cleansing twice. So then you have the other thing too, which the other side of it is people who feel that they need to use like the oil balm cleanser and then they have to use a water-soluble gel cleanser or milk cleanser, which again, I know a lot of people are going to disagree with this, but trust me, it's okay, your skin's not going to break. But if you're like a very dry, very dehydrated skin, maybe you go in twice with a balm. Especially if it's a water-soluble balm or a balm that can rinse off, maybe you do that twice. Maybe you use something like my treatment cleanser twice. So again, we're back to like, you can use the same product, but it doesn't have to be a water-soluble gel cleanser. It could be an oil balm cleanser. Those don't just have to be first cleanses. But granted, acne-prone skin, oily skin, combination skin, even normal skin, like those aren't gonna, that's not probably like the best bet for you unless there's been some issue of your skin's very weathered, or it's been, you know, whether it's been in the sun or been in extreme cold, or you're having issues with heating indoors or air conditioning. But a dry, dehydrated, super dry together, not one or the other together, skin types might benefit from doing, you know, a balm cleanse twice, or a gel oil cleanse twice, or a cream cleanser twice. So again, take this as meaning just cleansing twice. And then same thing too, I would, especially with the first cleanse, recommend a washcloth. Why? Because you want to get down a little bit deeper, more than your hands can and more than rinsing can, to get that SPF off, to get that makeup off. So of course I recommend a washcloth. Not something super gritty, not something that's going to scratch your skin, but something that's going to remove the product, remove the dirt, oil, grime, SPF, makeup, etc., and then have a great slate to then go in and cleanse your skin. However, again, if that's too much for you, or that's too harsh for you, that's okay. You're not broke. It's not going to affect things drastically. But then again, there might be another reason there, and you should take a look at your other skincare if you're that sensitive where you can't really use a washcloth outside of having naturally sensitive skin or rosacea or something. But if it's where you feel like a washcloth is too much, maybe re-examine and get like a really super fluffy washcloth or something like a microfiber cloth. Because it will help remove that dirt, oil, grime, and makeup. But again, if you can't, a double cleanse with rinsing and patting dry will be enough to get all your makeup, dirt, oil, grime, and SPF off. You just might need to be a little bit more thorough about really working the product in. But again, don't be so, now the new thing is, for me, is just to like pound down the fact that like, you know, follow certain things, but like rules are meant to be broken. Not like laws, rules. You know, we stay legal around here. But that, so cleansing twice, double cleansing equals cleansing twice. You can do it with the same product. You can do it with micellar water, and then you can follow up with whatever you want. If you're dry, dehydrated, you can do 2 balms, 2 oils. Again, do what feels right for your skin. Okay? So that is it. I know you guys are, you're all smart about your double cleansing habits, but I wanted to put that out there because I think some people are think things need to be very specific, and they don't. And or if they're not double cleansing for like a reason I mentioned in the beginning, you know, just putting it out there. Love you guys. Happy September. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. I keep pushing my glasses because they're new glasses and they need to be tightened. They're new glasses of the same glasses I always wear, but I broke the other ones and I need a new prescription anyway, so. Anyway, have a good day. Bye guys. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the black JS circle down below so we can stay in contact and keep talking. To watch more videos, you can click on the link here, or possibly here. Thanks for watching. Bye.